Hello, welcome back to Math Beyond the Classroom at Misericordia University. In this video, I'd like to show you a trick I like to call hide and go seek. And what you're going to do is for this trick, you can actually play along and go right from your computer screen. And let's see how well it works. So here's what we're going to do. You can see the numbers 1 through 12 sitting in front of me. What you're going to do is pick one of these numbers, and you're going to put your finger right on it on your screen, or close to if you don't want to dirty up your screen. And then we're going to have rounds where you're going to spell out the letters of the number you're on and move one step for each letter. So for example, if you pick 9, you're going to spell out N-I-N-E, and you're going to move to the number 1. After everybody moves, then I'm going to start removing numbers. And hopefully, after we do this a couple of times, I'll be able to catch you and win the game of hide and go seek. So now it's time to start. So find a number, pick one of your favorite numbers from the number 1 to 12, and put your finger right on it. Going in a clockwise order, or going in increasing number, wrapping around from 12 to 1, spell out the number you landed on, so that you've moved from the number you started to a brand new number. Okay, hopefully everybody's had a chance to do that. Now what I have to do to make this a little bit fairer for myself, because it's hard to pick from the 12, is I'm going to start removing numbers so that I know you probably are not on. I have a good feeling about 2 numbers for this round. I have a feeling that you're not on the number 2, and you're not on the number 11. I'm going to move these to make them a little bit easier to see. Nice circle. So continue from where you left off. Whatever number you're on now, continue going in a clockwise order around, spelling out each letter as you go. So when I was on 9, I went to 1. So I would now go from 1 and spell out 1, go O-N-E, and end up on 5. And you do the same, but do it from whatever number you ended up on. Okay, so I'm getting better feeling. I'm going to start getting stronger feelings about where people are and are not most likely. For example, I really don't think anybody's on the number 4. And I highly doubt anybody's on the number 6. I know for a fact that you're not on the number 12. So rearranging things a little bit to make it a little easier. There we go. Let's play again. I'm starting to figure out where you are. So whatever number you ended on, again, spell out the letters in that number going around in a clockwise manner. Okay, hopefully you're at a new spot. And I'm starting to feel really strong. I'm starting to really know where it is. And my gut is telling me that none of these, 7, 8, or 9, have anybody sitting on it. And I also know nobody's on the 1, that's for sure. Okay, I'm feeling good. Let's do this one more time. Wherever you're at, spell out the number and go around the triangle in this case. Okay, now I know where you are. Now I've got you. You are definitely not on the number 5. And you're definitely not on the number 3. I know you're on the number 10. And I've caught you. I've won the game. So why does this work? How come we can do this? And this is a technique that Copperfield used and many other magicians used. And it's really just a matter of the difference between the numbers 1 to 12 and the words 1 to 12. If you look at the words from word 1, 2, 3, up to 12, there's a lot less options once you actually spell out the letters. You've either got 3 letters, 4, 5, or 6 letters. So this reduces the number of possibilities of where things are going. So if we just keep track of what happens, here's where everybody possibly started, numbers 1 through 12, and there's 12 spots that you can be at. Okay, after you do your first move, these are the possible places that you're going to be. 1 ended up going to 4. Notice 9 ended up going to 1 like I spelled out. We started out with 12 spots. We've lost a whole bunch. We're now down to 7. As we go again, as I take away those 2 that we don't need and go again, notice we're now down to 5 spots that are left. A 3, 5, 7, 8, or 9. And we're getting a lot more overlap. Going one more time, now everybody's down on either the 5, the 10, or the 3. Well, once I'm down to that, the last step is when I take everybody and all of those move to the number 10. And this technique of counting using the letters instead of the numbers is called an example of a Kruskal count. Now pay attention, I will have another video that we're going to call another hide and go seek, which is going to go very similar using the letters of the numbers. But the actual math behind it is slightly different. I hope you enjoyed our video, and I hope to see you at the next one. Have a great day.